Welcome back to Swing Trading with Carter. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about, yes, you guys have guessed it, swing trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. We're going to be talking about pretty much everything with swing trading, strategies, criteria, why did I enter, why did I sell, all that good stuff. So hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. We got private live streams. We got group chat, we got lectures, everything to take trading to the next level. I don't believe in alerts. I don't believe in getting rich quick. I teach you how to trade and how to be a successful trader. So check it out down below, and we're doing a 50% off sale. You guys can use code SALE to get 50% off. Code SALE, 50% off. So I'll see you guys in there. Let's jump into it. When it comes to swing trading, a lot of people have been asking me, and they've been saying, Carter, can I swing trade on Robinhood? Can I do it? It's the only broker I have. Can I do it? And to answer that question, yes. Yes, you can swing trade on any broker. In simple terms, swing trading is just a type of trading. It's when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day, but less than 1 year. On average, I hold my swing trades for about 6 to 9 days. So yes, you can swing trade on Robinhood. I've grown several accounts with Robinhood, but I will tell you this. There's other brokers that could be better suited for you. And the reason I say that is I understand Robinhood's very beginner friendly. It's super easy to use on your phone, but also it does have limited research and scanning capabilities. The broker that I've been using for over 6 years is Moomoo. They're absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend them, and I'll put them down below just because you guys can get up to like 15 or 20 stocks just by signing up with them. So it's 100% worth it. Check it out. But if you're like, Carter, no, I want to stay with Robinhood. The thing that I would ask yourself is, one, what does your charting look like? Is it overwhelming? Can you add indicators? Can you add scanners? In most circumstances, you can't. And that's the thing. As a trader, you need to be able to scan the market. So if you're set on having Moomoo or having Robinhood as your broker, here's what I would do. I would actually sign up for another broker like Moomoo, and I would just use them for charting, and I would use them for scanning. I would execute all of my trades with Robinhood, and then I would just do that. And let me show you a very, very easy way you guys can actually look for stocks with some opportunity. We'll actually talk about a trade here that we're in on. So let's pull that up and get this ready to rock and roll. So this is a trade here that we took on ticker symbol AIZ. So with Robinhood, I understand you guys can add different indicators, and I do think that is awesome because indicators are and should be your bread and butter with trading. Being able to have moving average lines, which are indicators, and trend lines is what you need. For me, I don't love to overcomplicate my charting. I don't love to have a million different things up. That's one of the reasons I used to like Robinhood, is because it was simple. It was very, very easy to use. So looking at this, what do you guys notice? We have this general downward trend in the short term. So in the past couple of months, we've seen a downward trend, but in the long term, we've seen this nice upward trend. So what I look for is a stock on a long-term upward trend that has sold off down to some level of support. So you guys can see heavy support on this red line. It pretty much hits it, once, twice, 3 times. So you want a minimum of the 3 touch rule, and then recently 4 times. So for me, we got notified near and around this 160 area. So my thought process and my approach with this was actually very, very simple. Is hopping in here, setting our stops just below it. So that would give a very, very, very good risk and reward. And we can draw it out so you guys can see it. So you guys can see risking $1 to make over about $5 a share. And at the time we were thinking it would hit about here at the 90-day moving average line. So it was about a 3.64 risk and reward. So risking $1 to make $3.64. So now my thought process was going into it, heavy support. We also had an undervalued RSI. Was trading for about a 29, which the last time it was trading for a 29 was all the way back in here where we had this good move where it went from 166 to 172. So we have all these indicators, and what I do with my trading is I just go through that checklist. I write it down in my notebook, or you don't even need a trading journal. You just need some sort of way to write it down. But I go through and I go, all right, is the stock on an upward trend? Check. Is it on some sort of support line indicator? Check. What's the RSI? Check. When's the earnings? Check, because you never want to trade during an earnings, report. What's the risk and reward? Are you risking a minimum of 2 to 1? So risking $1 to make $2. Check. What's the stock price? What is the support on other time frames? So then the last thing I'll do is go to the hourly, and I will look for some sort of support. So you guys can see on the hourly, it has heavy support right here at about 160. And the reason I can see that is very, very simple. We draw it out. You guys can see heavy support each time it hits it. So now you hop in here, you set your stops just below it, and you let it ride. So this is a simple strategy that you guys can do, and you can do all of this on Moomoo. You can do it all on Robinhood. And guys, don't expect to get rich quick. Look at trading as long term, right? If this is your goal to be a trader, I highly recommend treating it like going to college, like going to school. Invest into the education. Put in those hours of paper trading, researching, looking for opportunity, and you guys will not regret it. This is a simple strategy that you guys can use to consistently grow your account, whether it's on Moomoo, Robinhood, Thinkorswim. You just need a broker that offers charting, and actually you just need a broker where you can buy and sell, and you can use other brokers as your charting tools. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out our school, where right now if you guys sign up, you guys can get a free trading notebook. So check that out down below as well. But guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.